Alrighty guys, so here's what happened to the radiator hose on Big Bertha. So, got that off of there, get the new hose on, and then I'll get the antifreeze back in it, and then I will, pick the front end up, and hopefully the steering spindle I got will work. So, alright, back with you guys in a bit. I'm a rocket scientist, but you should be able to do that. So, see if we can't fix that up. I got a spindle for it. So I want you guys to check this out, and this is why I say this has been apart before. It has like a stud or a dowel pin with some weld on it down on the inside. So I know this has been broke before, and to me it looks like it's been welded. If you look at it, you can see it's actually broke right there too. I can't quite see the bottom side, but so as long as this bearing will come off of here, I think we'll be okay. I got to clean this up a little bit better and see if I can't get the pitman arm off the top. Hopefully that won't be too bad. And then I'll go from there and hope the hub fits on it. So, one small step at a time here. Well guys, we're all fired up and ready for work here. I don't know if you guys can see, but remember this wheel was always tilted in. So I bet you that's been broke for ever since I had this thing. It was probably sitting up there broke like that, and I just got lucky for a while, but seems like we're ready for work. We're not leaking any antifreeze. I'm going to go make a pass or two. It's right at noon right now, a little after, and just kind of make sure everything's good and nothing blows apart. I'll start brush hogging pretty good after lunch. I'm going to have to adjust the steering because I had it adjusted for the way that other wheel was fixed. So this wheel's turned in pretty good while the other one's straight. Well, maybe it is turned downhill a little bit, but I'm going to just go try and run it for a little bit, and then I'll park it up here in the flat so I can actually check the oil and stuff on it. So, alright guys, I'm going to go make a pass or two. Be back in a bit. you got me here. Gotta make this corner here, so anyhow, later guys. Over in the far side here, blazing some trail. Try to find a light spot and work your way through. See out here how much stuff is. It's not too bad, it's just big trees and crap. I think I'm actually going to get on the left here. It looks pretty denser, a little bit of filter there. Well guys, end of day 2 clearing the farm. Everything on this side is pretty much mowed. I mean, I got these trees to cut down and stuff, but I'll either do that with a saw or with a gravely. Some bushes and stuff I just kind of went around and got that finished. And today I was working over that way. You guys will see the video of that. Let me throw the flock in there. See if I can get up out of here without the... And I dropped the 63 L8 off the buzzsaw on the mower deck, so any kind of luck, we'll be up here in the morning. So, catch you guys later. Figured I'd walk back over here for a second. Come back down here to look at something on the high lift. But cleared all this up here. You can see it's by no means perfect, but it is whacked off. And I finished over here where I broke the steering spindle. And I got it cleared. I have a path the whole way to the property line over there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but probably, I bet you it's every bit of 1,000 feet to the property line. So I think legit I'm probably approaching the halfway marker, and I kind of got all the easy stuff done, and now I got the hard stuff. So anyhow guys, it's actually a little chilly out. It's under 50 degrees, and I'm sure you guys can hear the wind, but, and I'm kind of leaving like this sort of stuff that's like really big. They're like clumps, and I'm going to take the buzzsaw to it, or chainsaw. I don't know, it'd be whatever I'm feeling like. Chainsaw would probably actually be quicker, but I'd have to actually walk the chainsaw around and blah blah blah. So anyhow, later guys, get back in the truck.